Okay, you might remember this problem from earlier in the year. So I thought I'd work this problem out, but I thought I'd work out in a different way. So anyways, let's go ahead and just start looking at it and we'll read through it and then I'll work through it. Okay, so it says rangers in the 2 lookout towers at a state forest notice a plume. Okay, interesting word. Plume of smoke. I don't even know what plume means. The towers are 2,000 feet apart. One ranger observes the smoke at an angle of 54 degrees. Interesting. A ranger. Why don't we call this guy the Blue Ranger? And then we'll take a pause right here and we will draw the Blue Ranger down here. Okay, let's see. Let's go blue, and then let's fast forward here. All right, draw his arms, draw his other arm. Okay, cool. Good job, Mr. Patel. Keep going, keep going. Okay, right foot is smaller than the left foot. We're good. All right, fingers kind of funny, but that's okay. Okay. A little bit of airbender at the end. Okay, nice. All right, let's keep reading the problem. The other ranger observes it at an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, let's call this guy the Green Ranger. Okay, let's do save some time here, do some copy paste action. All right, nice, there we go, but he's kind of looking the same, so let's make him look different. Let's reflect him. Nope, just kidding, rotate upside down. I guess that's cool. And then he's green. Let's analyze. Let's go back to this plume real quick. It reminds me of something else. I don't know, I'm thinking out loud here. Let's see, okay. I don't know how to read music, but I guess this is correct. And then I guess in honor of Green Ranger, we'll make this one upside down. And then I thought of this because this thing looks like a treble clef. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Anyways, okay, we're going to determine the distance. Okay, so, okay. Okay, looks like the bottom is 2,000. I'm going to put A and B because just got to start simple. Maybe the alphabet will help here. Okay, make it basic. All right, A plus B has to equal 2,000 because the entire bottom from tower A to tower B is 2,000. That's the distance between the towers. And then, okay, let's see, what are we going to do here? Let's use, okay, X and Y. Let's just jump straight to the end of the alphabet, but let's just forget about Z. Not a big deal. Okay. Oh, okay, I got it. Tangent. Oh, okay, we're introducing C again because we need to use tangent, opposite over adjacent. Tangent of 54 is equal to C over A. And for the right side triangle, tangent of 30 is equal to C over B because B is the bottom of that triangle. Okay, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to fast forward, but basically what we need to do here is solve both of these equations for C, and then we'll set them equal to each other after that. Okay, so we got A tangent of 54, B tangent of 30. They both equal C, so they can both be made equal to each other. If they're both equal to C, by transitive property, they're both equal to each other. All right, so A tangent 54 equals B tangent 30. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so at this moment, now we need to remember that A plus B is equal to 2,000, like we said earlier. Now I can solve it for one of the variables, so I'm going to solve it for A, because I want to plug that into the equation for A. So when I do that, you'll have 2,000 minus B times tangent 54 is equal to B tangent of 30. All right, and now I'm going to kind of rearrange this equation. I'm going to move the B to the left and move the tangent 54 divided over to the right. Keep simplifying this equation. 2,000 over B minus 1 because B divided by B is the same thing as 1. Okay, I wrote B over B, that's fine. Tangent of 30 over tangent of 54 still on the right side. I want to keep going and solve this guy until I get something for B. All right, I don't want to use a calculator, so I'm going to leave my answer in terms of tangent. So I got 2,000 divided by tangent of 30 over tangent of 54, all plus 1. So that means that A must be equal to that subtracted from 2,000, because we know both A and B have to add up to 2,000. And okay, now let's use a calculator. Let's just go in and type this in, fast forward, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we get 1408 because we need to change our calculator into degrees mode. So that gives us 1408. Earlier is radian mode, but we want to be in degrees mode, unless you're in calculus. Okay, we got negative, blah, blah, blah. We change it to degrees mode, 591, boom, okay. Oh, and magically it appears on our paper with a check mark, but that's not what we're looking for. We want to find the distance from the towers to the treble clef, and we want to figure out what C is. There's C, 813.473, and then the video stops here because I run out of space, so X and Y you have to determine using Pythagorean theorem.